Hello everyone, it's Wilson here and a warm welcome back to my channel. In this short DIY tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to replace my bonnet badge on my R172 SLK 55 AMG. So I'll be replacing the original one as shown here to this version, the black and silver AMG one. So this badge will actually fit all R172 SLKs and SLCs, and it may also fit other Mercedes models as well. The part number is as shown here, but I'll also put it in the description below of the part number required for Mercedes. Mercedes also do a different version, the black version of the original badge as shown here. Again, I'll put that in the description below for that part number should you prefer that version. Without further ado, let's crack on. In order to remove this badge, you need to get behind it because there's two prongs behind it, which you need to compress. So I'll show you the new badge actually, just to give you an idea. So that's the new badge. You can see there's two prongs there. What you need to do is squeeze the prongs with your finger to compress it a bit and then sort of push it out. So I'm going to give it a go. I've not done it before, but that's the idea. To get to the back of the badge, you don't need to take the bumper off. You simply go behind this Mercedes grille here. So that comes off by twisting it anti-clockwise like this. There you go, and then once you twist it, it should just pull off. So just bear with me and it will come off. There you go, it just pulls off. So it's the same, because obviously I've got an aftermarket grille, but it'll be the same for the original grille as well. So let me just put that down. So through this hole, you can put your hand up here and reach up and you can feel the prongs. So I won't be able to show that on camera because it's too tight space in there, but that's the idea. So I'll give that a go and I'll show you the end result. Right, so I'm just going to have a feel for it first. So I can see the big prong on this side. Yeah, I'm pushing it, it's slightly moving. So what I'm going to try first is the flat end of the screwdriver at the top. I'm going to use that to push it, so see if it will pop off. Right, let's try this side first. Yeah, that's coming up. I think I can just about see it popping off. I'll just do the other side. Yeah, I think it's coming. No, it's lifted up already. You can see it's lifted up by about a few millimeters. Let's try the right hand side again. Well, to be honest, the left side is all flush down the bottom. I can't feel it anymore, so it's come out. And same goes for both sides. So at the back of it is all flush. So I can't push anymore at the back. Yeah, it's all come out. So it's just a matter of wiggling it and massage it out like this. There you go. Final bit. Come on. Come on. There you go. All off. And no damage. Look, it's all intact. The original prongs are still in place. So yeah, do take your time because it's plastic. Don't just brute force pull it. Just massage it out like what I've just shown you, and it will eventually come out. And I'll just show you a picture from the top. There you go. It's a bit dirty. I'm going to clean that up now. So there's two holes. So they just basically push fit, to be honest. Right, so I'm going to fit the new one now, so it should be just a quick push-in job. All right, let's go for it. Let's line up the holes on this side as well. There's the hole. There you go. So once you lined it up, just simply put your finger on it and push down, or push down with your thumb and your palm, sorry. There you go, it's popped in. I heard that pop. And that's it, job done. And that is looking great, much better. Look at that. And I'll just show you the fitment from the side just to see. Look, it's nice and flush. It goes with the contour of the actual front section. See that? It's slightly V-groove there. So perfect fit. Now the final part, put the Mercedes emblem back onto the grille. So reversal what we did earlier. So just line it up here, roughly, I think it was about here. You see it when it goes in flush. I think that's it. That's it, that's gone in flush. And now you've got to turn it clockwise to lock it in. So just bear with me, see if I can get enough force with my single hand. And then you just turn it. There you go. And that's done. Nice and straight. So I'll give you one final look of the badge itself. The black and the silver AMG logo. Looks fantastic, much better. And I think that complements the whole front end look with my Pan America grille, with the chrome inserts and the black grille, and also the original AMG black insert at the bottom. I think that badge does the final trick, you know, final bit of the puzzle, so to speak. And leave a comment, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you reckon I should go black emblems here as well? And also for the back, what do you reckon? Black badges for the SLK 55, the Mercedes logo and the AMG logo, or leave it silver? Leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think. Just a reminder before I wrap up this video, the part numbers for both badges, the AMG black version, which I've just fitted, or the black Mercedes logo one, which I've shown you earlier, both part numbers will be in the description of this video below. You can purchase them from Mercedes, eBay or other online retailers. And finally, please remember to like, share and subscribe so you get notified of future videos of this nature. Hope to see you guys again soon. Cheers guys, bye bye.